Hey there, here's my new rotary toolkit. Had to replace it. My Craftsman one, the box was still there, but the rotary tool was gone out of it. And truth is, I don't know if I lent it to somebody or left it somewhere or what. The It had a dead spot on the rheostat in it, so it needed a new one anyway. This kit was decently priced. I think it was an 80-piece kit. This one's got a flex shaft on it, so it should be a little bit easier to hold and get into position. It matters when you're doing fine work if you can move the tool around where you want without the weight holding your hand over and messing it up. I'm going to pull it out of the box now and check it out. Oh yeah, this thing's going to work good. It's got a nice longer flex shaft on it. If you need to do some porting work or really fine work to get into tight spaces, got a long enough cord. Got some arbors in there, the little tool to tighten it. Got some sanding drums, polishing wheels, little cut off wheels in there somewhere. Well, I'm going to check it out later tonight on that armature to see if I can undercut them grooves in the commutator strips. Hopefully this thing works out good. It should. If it lasts as long as that Craftsman one did. I had that Craftsman one for probably 15 years before the speed control started messing up on it. So that's about it. That's what I was waiting for from the post office for so long. I guess the girl, they got a new driver and she didn't want to drive down my driveway because evidently her car's too nice, or who knows. My driveway ain't bad, by the way. It's a dirt and gravel driveway, but it ain't rutted up. And she left me a nasty little note about fixing my driveway. I don't even think she attempted to deliver anything. I went and complained to the manager down at the post office, and he just pretty much had nothing to say about it other than, well, it'll be here tomorrow if you want to come pick it up. Evidently, he has no control over the employees there. All right, that's it. We're going to try this thing out and see how well it works. Like I said, hopefully it lasts 20 years. Thank you. Again, if you like my content, subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, all that jazz. All right. Thank you. Good night.